What is going on? My name's Mike with EvolveINK, and the holiday season is finally here. Woo! The holiday season, the time for Christmas cookies, holiday cheer, and gift giving is upon us. And with that said, I couldn't help but to notice that there was no holiday gift giving guide for people that are shopping for someone that loves tattoos. So, with me not only being a tattoo enthusiast myself, and also having a tattoo related YouTube channel, I figured I'd make a list of 7 awesome gift ideas for tattoo lovers. Now trust me, if you are somebody that is shopping for either a tattoo artist, somebody that wants to get their first tattoo, or just a tattoo lover in general, all of these gift ideas they are absolutely going to enjoy, and they're not too expensive. So this first gift idea is probably one of my favorite ideas on this list, and that is getting a gift card or a voucher to that person's favorite tattoo shop. Now I know that getting a tattoo around this time of year is a really popular gift, whether it's for somebody that either wants to get their first tattoo or if it's somebody that just wants to get a new tattoo. But with that said, I noticed that there's a lot of people out there that do not know that they could get a gift card or a voucher to an actual tattoo shop. Even though I know this could be a little bit tricky on figuring out how much this can be, this acts as a perfect gift for somebody that either wants to get a new tattoo or their first. Most tattoo shops offer gift cards and vouchers, so all you gotta do is go to the actual shop and just put money down. Then, once the person gets the gift card or the voucher as a gift, they can use it towards their next tattoo. Tattoos can be expensive, and getting them something like this as a gift, it's just perfect all around, and they're really going to enjoy it. Coming in at number 2 on the tattoo gift giving guide is a vintage tattoo flash book. Now you might be saying, what's so special about a book of tattoos? Like, why would anybody enjoy this? Well, the reason why these books are so awesome is because there's a collection of meaningful vintage tattoos in it, from the time where really only sailors and outlaws had tattoos. And also another really cool thing about this type of gift is that it shows the art form and how it evolved over time. This will make a great addition to any tattoo lover's collection, whether they are just a tattoo enthusiast or a tattoo artist. The history is what makes it, and this gift, if you were to give it to somebody, it's gonna be hard for them to put that book down. Coming in at number 3 on the tattoo gift giving guide is one of my favorite things about tattoos, and that is tattoo aftercare products. The beauty of this gift is that it makes a perfect stocking stuffer, and what better gift to give to a tattoo artist than the gift of protecting their tattoos and making their tattoos look better. Now, if you're shopping for someone that wants to go and get their first tattoo, then I would recommend getting some products to help heal that tattoo. Now, one of my favorite products that I would recommend that would be perfect as a gift is the Tattoo Goo Kit. It is a complete kit that comes with all types of tattoo aftercare products to not only heal the tattoo, but to also make it look awesome after it's healed. Now, this kit in particular comes with moisturizers, healing soaps, healing ointments, just pretty much everything that you need to heal up a tattoo perfectly. And it's not that expensive and acts as a perfect gift for a tattoo lover. Now, on the flip side, if you are shopping for someone that already has a bunch of tattoos, then I would recommend getting some either tattoo sunscreen or something to make their tattoos pop and look vibrant. Now, the products that I recommend for this is the Mad Rabbit Tattoo Balm and Sunscreen. And all these products are listed and linked in the description if you want to check them out. Anyone with tattoos will love this thoughtful gift as they reach into their stocking and pull out these products. Oh! Okay, so number 4 on the tattoo gift giving guide is a complete tattooing kit. Now, this is the perfect gift for someone that is thinking about becoming a tattooer, or somebody that just absolutely loves the art form and wants an actual kit, tattooing kit, to collect. Now, the cool thing about this gift is that a good quality tattooing kit is not as expensive as you may think. Now, if you are someone that doesn't want the person you are getting this gift for to have a tattoo machine with like needles and stuff like that, they do sell like vintage tattoo machines that also act as a really cool gift. It's the machine itself, but you know, without the needles, so you don't have to worry about it. Seriously, if they are any kind of real fan of tattoos or the art form, this acts as the coolest gift. Now, coming in at number 5 is an event, one of the best events that I've been going to for the past couple years, and that is the gift of a tattoo convention ticket. Conventions are a must for any tattoo lovers. At a tattoo convention, you will literally find everything tattoo related. You'll see artists from all across the globe, supplies, different types of tattoos, clothing, literally just everything that is tattoo related. I personally have been going to the tattoo conventions around my way for the past couple years, and even if I walk out empty-handed, I still have a blast. Now, there are so many different types of tattoo conventions, and they're literally everywhere. All you gotta do to see if there is a tattoo convention that comes to your hometown or somewhere local to you is just do a quick Google search. Once you find the convention that is local to your hometown, you could buy the tickets right online, print them out, and give it to that tattoo lover as a gift.
Where's your Christmas spirit?
Coming in at number 6 is a tattoo fun jar. Yup, not only does this thing look really cool, but also if you're shopping for somebody that is always saving for their next tattoo, this makes this the perfect gift. There is a bunch of tattoo fun jars out there, but I'm gonna list and link below a pretty cool one that I think you'll like. Okay, so number 7 on the tattoo gift giving guide is temporary tattoos. Now, you might not believe it, but there can be people out there that is a tattoo lover that doesn't have any tattoos. Whether it's because of the love of the art form or the look of the body modification, people love tattoos for all types of different reasons, not only for just having them. So if you are someone that is shopping for somebody this holiday season that is curious about getting tattooed, why not consider getting them temporary tattoos? It's pain-free, easily removable, and it will kind of give them the gist on what having a tattoo is like. This acts as a fun, cool little stocking stuffer that anybody will enjoy. So I highly recommend it as a gift. Now, if you want to learn more about tattoos, be sure to check this playlist out right here. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays.